Before starting, please make sure the device is powered on, with the LEDs blinking blue. To turn the device on, please refer to the manual. Once the device is powered on, it should automatically appear in the Devices tab. If the device does not appear, click the Scan button in the top right to begin scanning for devices. To help locate the device, press the bell icon. The device will flash and beep multiple times. Please select the device from the list of available devices. The companion app will then begin connecting. Once connected, the settings page will appear. To set up the Incident Avoidance System, tap on Pedestrian Safety Settings. This will open the page where you can configure the Incident Avoidance System. There are two options for incident avoidance: pedestrian and driver. Let's start with an overview of the driver settings. When driver is selected, the driver virtual fence range can be adjusted. The following options are available. Disabled. This turns off the incident avoidance system. Short creates a small fence around the driver. Best for detecting small, low-speed vehicles such as side loaders. Medium creates a larger fence. The device should remain connected to the app for optimal performance. This works best for detecting small to medium vehicles such as forklifts. Long, the largest supported virtual fence. The device must stay connected to the app. Best for detecting medium to large vehicles such as loaders and cars. Note: pedestrian safety requires a connection to the companion app for best performance. Your Pico link may not detect or be detected by other devices without an app connection. When pedestrian is selected, the system will only notify the pedestrian of nearby drivers. A pedestrian standing next to another pedestrian will not trigger an alert. By contrast, the driver setting alerts for both pedestrians and other drivers. The intensity of notifications depends on the driver's fence setting, as well as the distance and speed between the driver and pedestrian. If a pedestrian enters the virtual fence, both the driver and pedestrian will receive a voiceover notification, an alarm notification, and blinking LED lights on the Pico link. These notifications will stop once the pedestrian exits the virtual fence. The supported speeds of approach are shown on screen. Please refer to the manual for the most up-to-date information. One final feature is the snooze function. During an alert, you can press the logo button to snooze notifications for 15 seconds. Now that setup is complete, let's watch a simple demonstration of how the system works.
Pedestrian safety alert.